Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video I'll be showing you the best way to upload your video on YouTube so that YouTube can recommend your videos to get better views. So if that interests you, sit tight so you can enjoy the video. If you are new, you're welcome to Fast Up. Here I upload videos on how to grow your business online, especially on YouTube, on blogging and so on. So if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on notification bells so you don't miss anytime I drop valuable videos like this. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. When you're uploading your video, this is the interface you see, and we pick it one after the other. As you can see on the screen, we have save or publish, and under it we have private that you can select. We have unlisted, we have members only, we have public. So when you come straight to save or publish, you have the private, under it unlisted, members only, public, and schedule. So I'll be explaining the importance and the essence of all these listed ways that you can publish your video on YouTube. So the private one is when you put your video, after uploading your video, you put it under private. Nobody can watch it, and it means nobody will see it on YouTube. So unlisted, when you unlisted your video, it means only people that you share the link can get to watch your video. For example, if you unlist a video and you share the link, only those people that have the link will be able to watch your video. It won't be made public to everyone on YouTube. So that's the meaning of unlisted. So members only is for those who have monetized. Not everybody will see these members only. It's only it appears when you monetize your channel, so that YouTube will give you opportunity to create video for only members that subscribe to your premium package. And that's how it is for everyone that is monetized. Not everybody on YouTube, but for those who have monetized their channel. So that's just the members only. If you can't find this on your channel right now while uploading, it means you have not monetized your channel. So let's go to the public. Public is when you upload your video and you want to share it, you select public, as you can see on the screen. It will go live for everyone on YouTube to get it, and to some extent YouTube will promote this video to some extent, just to some extent. So when you move to schedule, and I'll come here and click on it so we can see it better. So as you can see on the screen, we have schedule, and I'll be explaining the difference between schedule and publish, and public rather, schedule and public. So the schedule means you private your video for a particular time and publish it. So that's the meaning. And from the screen you can understand the English they wrote here, from private to public. It means, for example, I want to upload video. Today is 14. The time I'm uploading video is, the date is 14 January 2025, but as you can see on the screen, is showing schedule this video to publish on January 15, which is tomorrow, 2025. So what would happen is, after uploading your video, to get better engagement, you need to come to schedule, or schedule as you can call it. So you make sure you select at least 24 hours. Let's say 24 hours or 12 hours. So if you can schedule your video to be published for at least 12 hours or 24 hours, it means you are telling YouTube to study your video. so that they can recommend it to as many as possible that will need the kind of video. So when you do that, YouTube algorithm will sit and study your video. For that period of time that you schedule it, it will study the video. But if you put it straight to public, like this, YouTube algorithm will not be able to study your video, so they can recommend it to the numbers of people that can watch it or the potential viewers on YouTube. So what YouTube will do is just to push it generally to the public like that. But when you come to schedule, what would happen is YouTube algorithm will study it and pick and send the signal, and be picking signals to people that will need it. So that's when you see people getting tons of views on YouTube. So the secret is scheduling their video before they upload, before they publish their video after uploading. So guys, this is the best way to upload your video or to publish your video on YouTube in 2025. And if you need views, like some people that get a lot of views these days, this is the secret of what they are doing to get tons of views. So you schedule it. For example, let's say today is 14 and I want to schedule this video. You click on it and you can select, if you are scheduling it the next 24 hours or 48 hours, you can select the number of hours. You can decide to publish it on that day. For example, today is 14 and I want to publish it today. So I select 14. As you can see, it has been selected, but the time, I'll come to time and I'll scroll down. As at the time of shooting this video, the time is 6:55 a.m. in the morning. So, and I can select maybe after 6 hours or 24 hours. As you can see, I can decide to publish this video by 8 p.m. in the night, because this is morning, and or I can publish it in the next few hours, let's say just 7 hours or 6 hours. I can decide to publish it by 3 p.m. and you select it like this. So you select 3 p.m. You need to schedule it for the time you have selected. So the video will publish today, but it will be 3 p.m. So, but during that period of time that you schedule, the algorithm will study the video, so it can recommend it to a lot of people that will be interested in the video. This is why people get a lot of views, especially new YouTubers on YouTube. So guys, take the advantage of this video, leverage it on your videos, and start getting the views that you need. So guys, if you have seen value in this video so far, like this video, share with someone that is coming up on YouTube or that is already on YouTube struggling to get views, to get the idea to start getting views on YouTube. Share it with your friends that are struggling to get views, the views they need on YouTube, so that they can leverage the opportunity to make their channel grow very fast. Thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe if you have not done so, and see you in the next video. In the next video, I'll be giving you more tips on how to grow on YouTube. Thank you for watching to the end. See you in the next video. Peace.